We've just arrived at Myra today, just north of Bundaberg in Queensland. We are having a great holiday, and while we've been on holiday we've been able to share some great weeks with my cousin Bruce and wife Annie, and also my Uncle Doug and Auntie Ruth. And both Bruce and Annie and Uncle Doug and Auntie Ruth had a BBQ Weber, and we were so impressed with the meat and the meals that they cooked, we decided to buy one ourselves. So we've already made a roast and that turned out really well, and tonight we're going to make homemade pizza. So we're going to fire this up on high for 20 minutes. This will heat up inside, and while that's heating up I'm going to prepare the pizza ingredients that we're going to need for our yummy pizza, which we've decided will be 2 Supremes. So keep posted, we'll see how it goes. Okay, so it's
And now, what are you putting on your Supreme pizza?
what I'm putting on the pizza tonight, using a genuine Woolworths bought pizza base, is a Leggo's pizza sauce. I could make it, but I was being lazy. Some mozzarella cheese, some pepperoni, onion, bacon slices, some diced ham, diced capsicum, and some well drained squished out pineapple, topped with a little bit of cheese. They'll both be the same.
Sounds good. Looking forward to it. Okay. Ooh, looking good.
Yes, we didn't have mushrooms and we couldn't put tomato on. We sacrificed that and just spread that out a little bit. It's getting a bit fat.
Now, I believe we've toned it right down, but even our toning down doesn't look too toned down.
That there's lots, didn't I?
Yes. No. So 20 minutes in the oven and hopefully Supreme pizza. Oh yeah.
Sort of supreme. We're missing mushrooms and tomatoes, and we don't use olives or anchovies, and I don't have red onion and I don't have green capsicum, but we make it do. Well, here it is, our first pizza. The other pizza's in the barbecue as we speak, so we're going to start eating this one, and then by the time we finish, the other one will be ready.
Oh yeah, look at that.
It went okay.
Here we are at my room having a barbecue with our Weber BBQ. We've got steak sizzling, 2 minutes, and then we're going to have eggs in capsicum rings, grilled tomato with chips. Oh yeah, sounds good. I'm feeling a little nervous about the eggs in the capsicum rings because we've got them high for the steak, and eggs. Anyway, we'll see what happens. Oh yeah. Turn that. Turn that. There it is, the finished product. Sirloin steak, egg and capsicum ring, grilled tomato and chips. Oh yeah.